something on the cut bait here. That's a gar. That's a big old gar. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fishing mission. I'm out here today with my little son, Javon. We're out here headed to the spillway that leads out of Clinton Lake. We're gonna be trying to catch some river monsters today. We just stopped by the Lawrence Rotary Arboretum to pick up some bait. Javon was able to throw the cast net around and get us a bunch of bait. Got a bunch of little bluegill and sunfish, and a couple decent sized shad that we'll be able to use for cut bait. So we're almost to the spillway now. We're headed over. We're just gonna throw that live bait around in the spillway. We've been able to catch some big fish out of here before: gar, catfish, striped bass, a whole bunch of different species. So today we're hoping we can catch hopefully some gar or flathead catfish with the bait that we have. So we're gonna get there, get rigged up. I'll see you in just a minute. All right, guys, made it out here to the spillway. On those two poles down there Javon has, we got some live bluegill. I got a little piece of the shad that we cut on this pole. We're gonna drop this down. All right, pop that up in there. Good. And then we're also gonna put some cut bait on this one. I gotta re-rig this up though real quick. All right, so we got a piece of that shad on this pole as well. So we got shad on this one, shad on the second one, and then we got live bluegill on the last two. Get this one out there. All right, let's prop it up right here. So yeah, this is the spillway that we're talking about. It comes out of Clinton Lake, feeds into the Wakarusa River. There's all kind of big old fish in here. We got gar, catfish, striped bass, largemouth bass, drum, all the different sunfish varieties. Yeah, that's all I can think of right now. We've got a whole bunch of different fish out of here. We love this place right here. As you can see, the weather is not great today. Pretty windy, a little cold. But we're thinking that the ensuing pending storm is gonna hopefully do something for us here. We'll see. All right, so we weren't having any luck at the spillway. So we came downstream a little bit to the waterfall here, Wilkie Waterfall. I'm gonna head down here and put these baits back in the water and see if we can't catch something down here. We got one on a live bait. Did it come off? There it goes again. Something's got the shad again. It's swimming with it this time. I saw it go that way. Yep. Got him.
No.
Oh, what was it? You can see it?
Right there.
Cast it out just a little bit further. There it goes again. Oh. It's not far enough. You gotta cast it a little bit. Got something on the cut bait here. That's a gar. That's a big old gar. Sorry, it's over here. You're good, just focus on that. Got him. Got him, baby.
Jesus, that was long.
Oh, shit.
What? That one.
It's a big boy. What suckers is slippery. He ate it too. Let me get this puppy off of here. Come back in a second. All right. First big river monster of the day. Finally landed a gar. That's probably about a 6 or 7 pound gar. Probably in the, I'd say the 36 to 38 inch range. It's a nice looking fish. Did it fight hard, Javon? Yeah. This might be a PB for him. We don't have the net down here, so we can't weigh it, but it's probably real close to his PB. His PB was 6.5 pounds, so it should be right around there. That's a big boy. Good job, son. Wanna let him go? Let's get him back in. He don't want to go back, huh? Kind of got his head back, maybe. There he goes.
Oh.
Nice and cold fall water.
Oh.
Yes, sir. It's been a long day so far. We've lost a bunch of fish. Been out here grinding. It's cold, but that was worth it right there. We've been getting action on all of our poles with both live and cut bait. Finally, we're able to hook one. Good stuff. Oh, this one just went under. This one got it. Got something. Ooh. Striper. It's a little one. All right. Second fish of the day. My first fish of the day. Nice size little wiper or striper. Small one. It ain't one of the little tiny bluegill that we had out there. These things fight good though, for the size that they are. Here, we're gonna let this one go. Here we go. All right, y'all. That's gonna do it for today. I gotta get home and get changed. My son has a football game tonight, so I gotta go get cleaned up and ready for that. It's been a long day today, a little slow. We were able to land one gar and one striped bass, white bass, wiper, one of them things. Yeah, we had a bunch of bites and a bunch of action, but that's the name of the game with them gar. It's real hard to get them hooked good, so it is what it is. But yeah, we had a good time out here today. We're able to catch at least one river monster, so that's good. I'll say it's a successful trip. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.